Hi, thanks for joining us today. My name is John and I'm here to talk about the newest addition to this vehicle, the Mobileye Shield Plus collision avoidance system. We have David here with us today. Thanks for joining us, David.
Yeah, thank you. I'm really excited about using Shield Plus. Just curious, what exactly is it?
Well, as you know, waste trucks are large, complex vehicles operating in environments where blind spots may be present. I know you're a safe driver, but even with all your skill and training, situations can come up that are beyond your control. Mobileye Shield Plus has been developed to alert you in those types of situations. There are 4 smart vision sensors around the truck that act as additional eyes for the driver.
These smart sensors help detect pedestrians and cyclists that may be in the driver's blind zone and in a potential collision path with the truck. 2 of the sensors are installed on either side of the truck and 2 behind the windshield. When a potential collision is detected, the driver receives an audible and visual alert to stop the truck before the collision occurs. The audible and visual alerts are relayed to the driver through one of 3 driver alert displays found on or around the windshield.
Let's take a look inside and see how it works.
Sounds good.
All right, so this is how most Mobileye Shield Plus systems will be installed.
Mobileye Shield Plus has a forward-facing sensor that views the road ahead and 3 other sensors for the sides and turns. These detect other vehicles and road users, such as pedestrians and cyclists, in your path and generate audible alerts to notify you of the potential risks. It will also present other information to an iWatch display screen located on your center driver display through a series of symbols. Now, if the system anticipates a possible collision, it will generate an audio and visual alert to any of the 3 driver displays. The displays are directional,
so the display closest to the concern is the one which will activate.
Now, what kind of alerts will I be getting with this system?
The system will show a solid green illumination to indicate the pedestrian and cyclist detection is operational. In certain low light conditions, the pedestrian and cyclist detection is not operational. However, the rest of the system, such as the forward collision warning, is functional. The 3 driver displays will provide an amber visual symbol when the system detects a pedestrian or cyclist within one of the danger zones. This is a cautionary heads up to let you know there is someone nearby who could be at risk. The critical alert happens when the system detects that the truck is on an imminent collision course with a pedestrian or cyclist. In this case, the visual symbol escalates to red and the audible alert sounds. When this happens, you need to stop the vehicle as rapidly and safely as you can.
Wow, this is like having an extra set of eyes that helps me do a good job driving. I'm glad it improves safety. Could you tell me any more?
Sure. Mobileye Shield Plus also comes equipped with a speed limit indicator, as well as 4 warning capabilities used to ensure your safety on the road.
This information is displayed on the top of the center driver display in the iWatch interface. The speed limit indicator identifies speed limit signs along the way and sends an alert to your display screen whenever your vehicle exceeds the maximum speed limit. The headway monitor and warning features monitor the distance between your vehicle and the one ahead of you at all times. It provides the precise indication of the distance in seconds. When the following distance becomes unsafe, the system will produce both a visual warning symbol and a beep until you return to a safe distance. If you're at a safe following distance and speed, a green car symbol will remain on display. If it's unsafe, the car symbol turns red.
Now, what happens if a vehicle stops short in front of me?
Mobileye actually accounts for situations like that with the forward collision warning.
It works by continuously scanning the area in front of your vehicle, calculating the relative speed and distance in seconds, and then in critical situations, issuing a warning of an impending collision with the vehicle ahead. When alerted, you will see a red flashing car symbol at the bottom of the display screen and hear a rapid beeping sound. The lane departure warning feature on Mobileye recognizes lane markings and will warn you when your vehicle drifts from its current driving lane without the use of a turn signal.
Is there anything I need to do once the system is set up, like adjust any settings?
Not at all. The device's settings will be adjusted before it's installed. So all you have to worry about is driving safely.
Well, that makes me feel better. Is there anything else I should be aware of while driving with Mobileye Shield Plus?
That's a great question. While Mobileye Shield Plus is designed to keep you safe in a multitude of ways, it cannot account for certain conditions. For example, in darkness, the pedestrian detection does not function. However, the rest of the system will operate normally. Also, extreme weather conditions may affect the ability of the system to see the surroundings. It's also important to keep the smart vision sensors clean of any ice, snow, or dirt.
It's important to remember that the Mobileye Shield Plus system is not intended to replace the driver's critical role in operating the truck. It is there only to alert the driver if a situation arises that might lead to a collision. You, as a driver, must continue to exercise cautious driving at all times and follow your traditional training procedures.
That's good to know. Am I going to be the first one trying this out?
Perhaps in our company, but rest assured, this technology is being used in other fleets and has been proven to be successful. We're using Mobileye Shield Plus to ensure your safety first and foremost. And it's not just us. Major car manufacturers like GM, Honda, and BMW have been using Mobileye's advanced technologies in their new cars because they know how effective it is at keeping drivers safe and secure.
Well, that makes sense. And I definitely feel safer having another eye on the road. Thanks for showing me Mobileye Shield Plus.
Excellent. Thanks for joining me, David. If you have any questions about Mobileye Shield Plus or its functions, please talk to your manager. Thanks for joining us today. And remember, always think safety.